All right, guys, so we are out here. Big old build that we've got going on. You guys have seen it in previous videos. Let me tell you what's going on right now. We have our exterior walls coming across here. This wall right here is going to bury all this siding and everything up there. But what we have to do is cut back that overhang right there, flush with the edge of building. So when that wall goes up and then this wall here goes up, we don't run into problems. Now we have to do the same thing over there and all the way along here. So that's our plan for today. Beautiful place out here though, check it out. So we've got another lift getting dropped off right there. We're gonna keep the one behind me. We'll have two today. We have a ledger to take off that has a ton of hardware in it. We'll have one on the back side taking the bolts out. We'll have one on the front cutting it and taking it down. Anyways, I'm gonna get these lifts onto the slabs and we'll go from there. Lift number one is on the slab. So we have all these bolts through these 4x6 that we need to take out, take off the ledger on the outside. I'm wondering if we should do it off a ladder. It wouldn't be that bad. Goal for today is cut out those overhangs, get us ready to where we can start framing and get that ledger off the wall. Big lag bolts go through 4x6 into the 4x6 on the outside. Alright you guys, so as you just saw, Fox and Jeff are over there taking care of the overhang, cutting back the very last piece and then cutting back the 4x6 rafters as well. Quentin and I, on the other hand, are over here taking care of this ledger. Now, there was barrels inside of this place and we couldn't get to it before, but now that we have access from the inside to undo the bolts in the back, we're able to finally take it off. Here's what we're dealing with. We've got these basic 4x6 rafters. These went out to a little roof here. Big old monster bolts through the top here. We've got the Milwaukee impact out here. We're just gonna go ahead and take all these off. After that, we have this 4x6 ledger that held all of these guys. We have to take that off as well. So far though, so good. Decent sized screws we're working with here.
Oh, I see. I see you. You big old strong man.
That's making it.
That's going in.
So like I mentioned, we have this whole ledger to take down here. We have to take down the plywood on top, 2x6 from underneath, and then strip this guy. take out all these 4x6 with the big lags to the top of them. See what they've got going over here. They've been stripping all this back and making sure everything's plumb cut up. That's exactly what we're after.
A lot of complications.
Monsters. Gonna hang on to these and use them for something. It looks awesome. We've got that whole section demoed over there. All of it's cut flush. We are pretty much ready to start framing on that side. On this side, we still have some of the ledger to take off. We're gonna work on that right now. These guys are gonna hop over here, slide in beside us, and they're gonna start cutting on top, doing the same exact thing that they did over there. We got the rest of that taken care of. All of the OSB is down. All of the 2x6 lid material is off as well. We're gonna go ahead and come back after lunch and take off the last of these 4x6 rafters. Big old lags going through the top of them, as you guys saw. After that, we have to take off the ledger from underneath and then cut back the tails and the sheathing from up top. We're out of here. Next time you guys see this place will be day one on a new build series. If you guys want to keep up with that, along with everything else, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications by clicking the little bell to the right of it. Lunchtime.
Ah, lunchtime.
We're gonna set it right on top. Ready? We on top over there? We need to break that end loose.
Oh yeah, quick, get it.
Right where the nail's at, buddy. Perfect. Grab that side. We'll slowly just hand it down this way.
Oh, forward. Oh, got it. Flipping over or thin. Should slide on the smooth side. It's gonna hit on that notch. I can't hold it anymore.
Technically, this is going to be season 4, considering season 1 was building a house, season 2 was from the ground up, season 3 was technically 10-day house build. This is going to be season 4. I need a name for it. What would you guys call this place? What do you want to see it called as? What would make you click that notification to watch a new video? Let me know in the comments down below.
I was like, okay. I was like, I'm down to work. You're like, oh, if Quinn's down, I'm down. I'm like, all right, down.
Quinn's learning how to drive the scissor lift. It's doing good.
Where's my wagon? Waggy. I need my wagon. Let's see. Doing some little horseshoe right here.
Alrighty, you guys, our day here is done. We are wrapped up with all of our demo, completely ready for our tie-in. We should be good. Let's check it out. All that's clipped back up there. Completely good to go. As we go over to this slab, all of that is cut back as well. We're good. Me and Q are gonna stay a little bit later than everybody else. I'm gonna let these guys get the heck on out of here. They've worked hard enough today. We're gonna get the rest of this cleaned up. We've got scissor lift number 1 sitting out here ready to go. Scissor lift number 2, doop, way over there. All equipment is ready to be picked up. We're gonna do a full scrap out right now. Get the heck out of here. It's been a long day. So here's the mound of fasteners we took out of the tops of the rafters and then the back side of the ledger. Not sure I'll ever use them, but I don't know, they're like 8-inch lags. Getting everything loaded up, strapping down these ladders, putting everything away. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, you guys already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications by clicking the little bell to the right of it. October was a very slow month for us, transitioning from the 10-day house build, getting that place sited, finishing up a couple other projects like Season 2's house. November, we are hammering down. You guys are going to see so much content from this place, it's not even gonna be funny. I do need name ideas on this winery build though, so drop a comment down below and let me know what you would pick. That is it for today though, guys. I will catch you next time. Bang on. And by the way, that is not a satanic thing. I don't worship the devil. If I did trade my soul for subscribers, it wouldn't be for 30,000. It'd be for a lot more.